Welcome to No Nonsense Airbnb. In this video, I will show you how you can mark your Airbnb listing as not suitable for children. Try and do this from a computer because Airbnb phone app is not suited for things like this. Once you're logged into Airbnb from your computer, just go over to the top right. You will see switch to hosting option. Click on that. That will take you to the hosting dashboard. And then click on listings option here. And that opens up the listing editor. Now on the left hand side panel, you don't need to click anywhere. Just scroll down towards the bottom and you will see guest safety option here. Click on that. And then on the right hand side, click on safety considerations, which is the first option. And then on the right hand side, there will be a menu. The first two options are not a good fit for children 2 to 12 and not a good fit for infant under 2. Whichever option is suitable for you, you can mark that as yes or no. For example, if this property was not suitable for children from 2 to 12, I would just mark it as yes. And then Airbnb gives you an option where you can describe why do you think it is not suitable for children of this age, and if they still want to bring children of this age, they can still reach out to you to clarify and potentially book the property as well. The same way you can mark it as unsuitable for infant, and you can describe why you think it is not suitable for children under 2. And with that, I hope you find this video useful. Please do like and subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment if you would like me to make a video about something which is troubling you. Have a wonderful day wherever you are. Until next time, bye-bye.